What's wrong with your head? What's on your head? What's on your head? What's on your head? Petrova, Petrova, Petrova. She's trying to get it off. Yeah, you did it. You did it. You did it. You did it. Yeah. You did it fast that time. Wow. Wow. You're so smart. Kiss the kitty. Wah! 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 Oh my gosh, Petrova's being funny. She wants this open so she can play with it, but then as soon as she closes it herself, and then she gets mad that it gets closed. Watch, she's happy. And she's gonna close it herself. And she's gonna start crying. Watch. But she closed it. You're silly. She's in a weird mood today. She's leaning. She's like leaning on to one side. Is that toy mean? Hmm? Why don't you like that toy? You don't like it playing? What's the matter? Hmm? Are you in a weird mood today? Are you in a weird mood? What's the matter? You don't like it? Poor baby. You was in a funky mood, huh? Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Does it make you happy? Wave bye-bye. She looks back at it like it did something to her. Baby. Can you say baby? 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 Say baby. Say baby. Can you see mama? Can you see mama? Look right here. Right here. Right there's the camera. Right there. Stop looking at yourself. Baby? Baby? You can't touch the phone. You'll shut it off. Don't touch the phone. Oh, how cute. Is it baby? Baby. 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 Okay, say bye-bye then. If you're not going to say baby, say bye-bye. 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 Baby. So I just got done making a beauty video, and Petrova doesn't like my lipstick. She keeps on trying to hit my mouth, like, get it off, or what is it, like, you don't like my lipstick, Petrova? Petrova. And she already got it on her hand. right there. She got it on. Oh, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, she's trying to hit my face because she don't like my face. Are you being a little meanie? Petrova, can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Ah! She's trying to hit my face. No! You're gonna get it on your white onesie. Ah! She really is trying to get my lipstick, and it's not funny. Because it's not matte. It's gonna get everywhere. It's a wet lipstick. It's a creamy lipstick. She's gonna get it everywhere. You're silly. Ah! You're silly. Casey, bye-bye. She's like, I'm not in the mood. I'm just chill. Look at you just chilling. She's just chilling. It looks so funny. She just leaned in on me. I put some stickers on the wall for Petrova to just, like, you know, look at when she's like laying here or just sitting here, so she could just play and stuff. And there's all the Disney characters. There's all the Disney characters, like there's Elsa, there's Beast, there's Dory, there's Tangled, Olaf, there's the happy and sad from the movie. I forget the name of that movie that's about emotions, but they're on there. Aladdin. So, yeah, you like it? And I've never seen that movie, the one with the dinosaur. I've never seen that one. And I've never seen Big Hero 6, but I put him on there anyway. Oh, and there's Dumbo and that guy from Monsters, Inc. So cool. So cool. You like them? You like them? I should move one right here in the middle. I should move one. I should move one so there's one right there. Which one should I move? I should move Elsa, huh? Let's move Elsa. Oh, I don't want to scratch her. Oh, let's wait. I'm gonna wait because I don't want to ruin the sticker. Choked on your spit. Oh, you choked on your own saliva. Gross. How cute. Dance, dance. How adorable.